Welcome to online lecture series Renewable Energy Sources. Today we will see a video on what is solar radiation and what are different types of solar radiation. General definition of solar radiation is radiant energy emitted by the sun from the nuclear fusion reaction that creates electromagnetic energy. The units of solar radiation are watts per square meter. What is extraterrestrial solar radiation? Solar radiation incident outside the Earth's atmosphere is called extraterrestrial radiation. On an average, the extraterrestrial irradiance is 1367 watts per meter square. Today we will discuss about what is solar radiation and different types of solar radiation. We all know that Earth moves around the Sun and solar radiation will vary due to day and night on the Earth. So solar radiation will vary on the Earth and it will be maximum on day and zero on nights. As we know that June 21st is hotter and longer day. On that day solar radiation will be longer day. Similarly, December 21st is winter and shorter day where the solar radiation will be of shorter time, and similarly September 21 and March 20th where the sun overhead on the earth. These 4 days in a year is important to know about the solar radiation on the earth's surface. Now we will discuss about terrestrial region. What is terrestrial region? A region where plants and animal lives are the terrestrial region. Example, our earth. Our earth is a terrestrial region where plants and animals live. Now coming to the extraterrestrial region. What is meant by extraterrestrial region? The region outside the Earth's atmosphere is known as extraterrestrial region. Our space, the space between the sun and the earth is extraterrestrial radiation. The value of extraterrestrial radiation is 1367 watts per meter square. As we know, the moisture and dust will be present in the space. What is direct radiation? The radiation which will be directly comes from the sun is known as direct radiation or beam radiation. It will come directly from the sun, and due to presence of moisture and dust, the radiation which will be scattered by the moisture and dust and received by the earth's surface are known as diffuse radiation or indirect radiation. The value of diffuse radiation will be less and some radiation will be reflected back to the space. Diffuse radiation value is very less compared to the direct radiation. Total radiation or global radiation is defined as sum of direct radiation and diffuse radiation. The total radiation on the Earth's surface will be the sum of direct plus diffuse radiation. Total radiation is also known as global radiation. These are different types of solar radiations on the Earth's surface.